Hello, Miss Davis. This is Sarah Furman, and this is how I made my Google Classroom. So you are more than welcome to take notes over what I did, or even do what I did. It's very self-explanatory. Google Classroom is very easy to follow. So without further ado, I will get right into it. So first, I just made an announcement to my class, introducing myself, going over what the class will be like. If they have any questions, just come and ask me. And so then we'll come up here to where it says classwork, and I've organized my resources into questions, review, and quizzes in the resource page. So I have articles, I have YouTube videos, and I have just basic websites. And here I have a quiz, and here I just ask them a question and I put my photo with it.